Don't let anyone lie to you that your lightning sunburn cream won't clear your sunburn. If you don't protect your skin from the sun, go back outside without sunscreen, it will come right back. Go girl. Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. I'm Judith, your favorite skincare BFF. Listen, I'm tired of seeing people waste money on sunburn creams that don't work. People are spending serious money on those fancy lightning face creams, thinking it will fix everything, and their sunburn will still come right back. Well, here's the truth that nobody tells you. Those face creams or lightning creams alone is not going to clear your sunburn. Quote me anywhere. If you know what I'm about to show you, you will fade your sunburn very fast and keep it from coming back. And honestly, most of these products do not cost as much as you think. First things first, if you're watching this with an active sunburn like this one, like your sunburn still looks red and feels hot, then here is what you can do in the next 30 minutes. Take a cool compress. I'm not talking ice, I'm talking clean water on a plain cloth. If it is possible, run normal water on that area. Apply the cool compress for 10 to 15 minutes. That is going to help calm down your inflammation. The next thing you want to do is to drink a lot of water, because sunburn can have your skin feeling dehydrated. If you can take 1 to 2 liters right now, just do that instantly. Now, take your pain relief like ibuprofen or paracetamol. I know it might sound basic, but it actually works faster than you think. It's actually going to help reduce your pain and inflammation at the same time. Finally, you want to ensure you moisturize that area. Go in with a good moisturizer. It's going to help soothe and calm that affected area. If you can do these 4 things right now, you will be 50% better by tomorrow. That's not me exaggerating. That's how inflammation works. Now, for those of you who sunburn already looks like this or like this, I'm gonna be honest with you, because you do not need expensive skincare products to fix it. What you need is a proper tailored skincare routine. And honestly, I've tested a lot of products and worked with clients with similar or same concerns. So take it from me, I'm in the best position to put you on how to get rid of your sunburn fast. Let me show you exactly what products you need step by step based on what you can afford. The first product you will need if your sunburn have already gotten darker is a good or gentle cleanser. And when I talk about cleanser, I'm talking of hydrating cleansers, because as someone whose skin barrier have already been compromised, you don't want to irritate your skin any further. You need a gentle hydrating cleanser that is going to get rid of the sweat, the dirt, without further irritating your skin. So the gentle hydrating cleansers that does the job for me would be this La Roche-Posay hydrating cleanser, or you can get the Cetaphil cleanser. Both of them are actually great and suitable for all skin types. Moving on, the next or second product you will need is a good hydrating toner or an essence. Now, I need you to see this as an extra hydration layer. Because your skin is already sensitized, you don't want to apply products on your skin and have it feeling peppery or getting that stingy feel. So using those hydrating toners or essence is going to ensure your serums or whatever products you apply on your skin gets to sink in better. So don't let anyone tell you that it's not necessary. It's actually not the most important step, but believe me when I say that you're going to see the results or effects of this particular product on your skin. Some of my favorite hydrating toners or essence to recommend will be the COSRS one, or you can get the Purito one, or this Jumiso Snail Essence Mucin. It's going to ensure your skin absorbs in all the products that it is supposed to take in and give you a nice looking skin. See, one mistake you don't want to make when treating your sunburn is to leave that area looking or feeling dry. When you hydrate that area properly, it's going to look alive, in as much as you still have this pigmentation or discoloration on it, but you will definitely see the visible results on it. So once your skin is hydrated, every other thing is going to go away. These toners and essence are hydrating and they are not heavy on the skin. I also love those from Rice Milk Toner, one of my favorite toners to actually recommend for anyone battling with sunburn. Now, the next or big product you need is your antioxidant serum. This is actually where the magic starts from. You can include all your vitamin C serum, azelaic, niacinamide serum, like you name it. Some of my favorite ones that I would definitely recommend for you to use is this Mad Hippie Vitamin C serum, or you can lay your hands on the La Roche-Posay Vitamin C serum. These are gentle antioxidants that will not irritate your skin in any way. The Skin Soticals Vitamin C serum is another amazing vitamin C serum you can use. All those are good. Even the Drunk Elephant Vitamin C serum gives amazing results. If you're someone on a budget and you can't lay your hands on any of those antioxidants or vitamin C serum I already mentioned, you can get this particular timeless vitamin C serum, an affordable vitamin C serum that is infused with not just vitamin C but ferulic acid and other ingredients to achieve a bright, beautiful, healthy glow. And that is exactly what we are going for. Let me be honest with you. If you pick the affordable ones and you're consistent, you will definitely get results in a period of, maybe if you were supposed to use maybe the Mad Hippie or La Roche-Posay one and see results in 2 to 3 weeks, using the timeless one, you're going to be seeing results in a space of maybe 4 to 8 weeks. So all you just need to do is to use your antioxidant and be consistent with it. Now, I know some of you react to vitamin C. If that's you, please do not force it. I got you. You can replace vitamin C with your niacinamide serum as your antioxidant. So for my niacinamide serum, some of my favorite ones to recommend will be this La Roche-Posay Mela B3 serum. This particular one is amazing, gentle, and you will definitely get amazing results using it on your skin. Another one that I love, in case you're on a budget, is the ordinary niacinamide serum, a perfect and affordable niacinamide serum that is going to also work for you. Any of the niacinamide serum you can lay your hands on is definitely going to do the job. Your antioxidant serum is actually there to help protect your skin from the sun and also work to support the radiance and brightening effects on your skin. Moving on, the next of what products you will need in order to get rid of your sunburn is a treatment product, or do I say dark spot fighters. When I talk about dark spot fighters, I need you to know that your vitamin C serum is great, your niacinamide serum is amazing, but if you really want to fade that pigmentation, that dark mark or discoloration and dark spots I'm seeing, then you need more than just your vitamin C serum. Ingredients like kojic acid, tranexamic acid, alpha arbutin, glutathione, these are the ingredients that you will need. So the best and amazing treatment serums I've handpicked for you in order to fade off that sunburn and dark spots is this Murad Rapid Pigment Lightening Serum. This one works very fast when it comes to clearing sunburn, tackling your dark spots, your discoloration, and giving you that even toned skin. Now, another amazing treatment serum that I really love is this Natrum Tranexamic Acid, the 5% one. This one also tackles dark spots, discolorations very fast. It's going to even out that area as long as you're consistently using it on your skin. Another one is the ordinary alpha arbutin serum. I believe a lot of you must have seen this in my previous sunburn treatment. The ordinary alpha arbutin serum works amazingly well for anyone struggling with sunburn, discoloration, dark spots, you name it. It's going to get rid of that dark mark or discoloration that you are seeing on that sunburn area. Another serum you can use, especially if you're on a budget, will be this Koji White Kojic Acid and Tranexamic Acid Serum. This particular one is also amazing. In fact, using any of these serums I just showed you is going to help fight that dark spot, the dark mark or pigmentation and discoloration you have on that area. In fact, if you really want your sunburn to be gone in a space of week, then go use the Murad Pigments one. It lifts the dark mark very fast, and so does the alpha arbutin. The alpha arbutin is gentle, suitable for all skin types. In fact, all the serums, they are very gentle on the skin and suitable for even anyone with a sensitive skin. So for me, if I were to rank the serums according to how fast they are, I'll rank the Murad one as the fastest, the Natrum one, then the ordinary alpha arbutin, and the Koji White one. This is how I am going to rank them, okay? So you know the fastest and which one to invest in according to your time frame, because I really know that a lot of you want to clear your sunburn very fast. So if you have an occasion and you don't want that sunburn on your face, use any of the serums that I already showed you and you're going to get amazing results. Moving on, you're also going to need a good moisturizer. Your face cream is not supposed to be anything luxury. It should just give support, hydration, so that your skin can heal very fast. And some of the amazing moisturizers or face cream I will recommend for you to use in order to get rid of your sunburn would be this La Roche-Posay Sister Plus Balm, or the 345 cream, or the Centella cream. Any of these face creams is going to help get rid of your sunburn very fast. All these are nice and gentle soothing creams. They will not irritate your skin or start making you feel like maybe your skin or the damaged or affected area is burning, and that's something I really love about it. So any soothing hydrating cream is going to work amazingly well in this routine. So if you can lay your hands on this one I just showed you, or you can get anyone that you can afford. Finally, we are going to need a good sunscreen. When I talk about a good sunscreen, I'm talking about sunscreens with SPF 50 and above. So you can get the La Roche-Posay sunscreen or the Super Good sunscreen or any other sunscreen of your choice. In fact, as long as it has SPF 50 and above, then you can get that particular sunscreen. Now that you already know what products to buy, let me break down your day and nighttime routine for you, like how to use each of these products in your routine step by step. So for your daytime routine, you want to keep it as minimal and simple as possible. Less is always more when it comes to your morning routine. So the first step in your skincare routine in the morning should be using your gentle hydrating cleanser, like I mentioned earlier. Then follow up with your hydrating toner or essence. And immediately you're done applying that, go in with your antioxidant serum. This antioxidant serum is going to help or work hand in hand with your sunscreen to mask and protect your skin from the sun. So immediately you're done applying your antioxidant serum, which can be your vitamin C or niacinamide serum, then you need to go in with your face moisturizer. If the moisturizer is too heavy for you in the daytime, then you can move straight up to your sunscreen and leave your moisturizer out of it in the day, okay? Always ensure you reapply your sunscreen 2 hours later, as long as you're outside the sun. Now, for your nighttime routine, your cleanser comes first, like it did in the morning, then your toner or your hydrating essence. Then you want to follow up with your treatment product. And immediately you're done applying your treatment products, go in with your face moisturizer. Any of the soothing, hydrating moisturizers we recommended will do a great job. For me at night, I would definitely recommend using the La Roche-Posay Siska Plus Balm. That one is going to help hydrate your skin and ensure to lock in moisture. Like, I really love that particular cream, using it at night in your skincare routine. When you're using that in the daytime, use a pea-sized amount, please, in the daytime. But at night, just go in with extra layer of that, more than a pea-sized amount, and you will see your skin glowing. If you follow this skincare routine consistently for 2 to 3 weeks, you will definitely be seeing effects. Okay, so within that 4 weeks, 8 weeks max, your dark marks, discoloration must have already faded off completely. Now, this is actually a routine I charge money for. Let's talk prevention, because this summer the heat wave is real and is actually not smiling with anybody. Try and avoid that sun from 11 a.m. to 3 p.m. If you already know you're going to be outside or you're stepping outside for work or for anything, try and beat yourself in sunscreen. Before you go, tell me your biggest sunburn struggle right now. I hope today's video was very helpful and you picked or learned a thing or two from today's video. I really hope this video helps you and will help you get rid of your sunburn. If you have a friend battling with sunburn already, then you better share this video with them. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you're yet to, and I'll definitely see you in my next video. Bye.